Prime Minister, it's truly a pleasure to welcome you in Fiji for your first official visit. From the UN General Assembly to the Pacific Island Forum, we've had the chance to meet on several different occasions over the past 2 years, and of course in starkly different settings. In fact, I'd be hard-pressed to think of two more islands less similar than Tuvalu and Manhattan. But what's made our previous meeting feel so impactful and so productive hasn't leaned on where we've met. What makes New Zealand's Pacific Reset feel so promising has been the shared values of Fijians and Kiwis that shine through in each conversation and negotiation we've had. Regardless of whether we're sitting at a high rise in New York or standing on the beaches of Funafuti, I'm confident that those shared values, our passion for protecting our climate, for uniting our people, and ultimately leaving the world a better place than we found it, are what will drive our meeting today and prove your visit to Fiji a success throughout the week. And in the days ahead, I look forward to building upon this momentum that we've already accomplished over the course of your time in office, and to giving you a true taste of Fijian hospitality and our famous Mula spirit. Vinaka, and welcome again.
Pula Vinaka, kia ora koutou katoa, Prime Minister, and to you and all of your team, can I say, Vinaka, thank you for the warmth of your hospitality, which we felt from the moment that we arrived. In fact, even before we stepped off the plane, the hospitality you are so famous for came to greet us. And so thank you so much for that. I found particularly the welcoming ceremony this morning very, very moving, as did Clark. You mentioned the many occasions on which we've had a chance to speak and meet with one another, and I valued each of those. You, in fact, I think probably hold the title of being the first world leader, I believe, that probably Neve ever met. You certainly were the one that showed the most interest, and it's been clear to me on every occasion we've met that we share many values, not least the importance of family to each of us. So I really appreciate that, and I'm sorry to disappoint you that she's not here. I also want to acknowledge 50 years of independence and also 50 years of our relationship together. And some of the challenges we've faced have been enduring over those years, and some of them are new. But regardless...
So you don't need to be... Thank you.
Especially made.
All Black 7.
All Black 7.